How to monetize your Instagram account. In this tutorial, I will show you how to monetize your Instagram account. The first step is to open or launch your Instagram account just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app as you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap the menu option. It is this icon here with the hamburger symbol. This will take you to the settings and activity page of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, come to this section here, and after that, tap this option named Creator Tools and Controls. After doing that, you will land on this page where there are various options that you can use to get access to different tools. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach here. After that, from the options that are here, make sure you tap this one here named Switch Account Type. A menu will then pop up from the bottom. The menu has options that you can use to change your account type. If you are using a personal account, then make sure you switch it to a business or creator account. This is because the monetization feature is not available to personal accounts. After doing that, exit this section and come back to the previous page. After that, from the options that are here, make sure you tap on this one here named Monetization Status. Finally, you will land on this page where you will see information on your monetization status. Make sure you read it carefully. As you can see, mine is enabled here. To see the monetization features that are available to you, make sure you come to this section here and check. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to monetize your Instagram account.